Hey there, Crash Course fans! Today, we're diving into the world of blockchain, a technology that's been making waves and confusing grandparents since Bitcoin hit the scene. But fear not, because we're breaking it down to the basics. Think of blockchain like a digital ledger, but instead of being kept in one place, it's copied across a network of computers. And when we say network, we're not just talking about a couple of computers in your basement, we're talking about a massive global network. This shared ledger keeps track of every single transaction made with a specific cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. So, every time someone buys a Tesla with Bitcoin, that transaction is recorded on the blockchain for everyone to see. But here's the cool part. Once a transaction is recorded, it's nearly impossible to change or delete it. That's because each block of transactions is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of information that's tamper-proof and super secure. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at the structure of a blockchain. Imagine each block as a page in a ledger. Each block contains transactions, like a list of who sent what to whom. Each block has a unique fingerprint called a hash. This hash is like a digital signature. Each block's hash links to the previous block. Tampering with a block changes its hash, setting off a chain reaction. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and tamper-resistant. So we've got our blocks chained together, but how do new transactions get added to the blockchain? When someone initiates a transaction like sending Bitcoin, it gets broadcast to the entire network. Miners verify and add new transactions to the blockchain. They get rewarded with cryptocurrency for their efforts. To earn rewards, miners solve complex mathematical problems. This process is called mining. The first miner to solve the problem adds the next block and claims the reward. Section 4. Digital gold blockchain and the rise of cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, cryptocurrencies. You can't discuss blockchain without mentioning Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency that brought blockchain into the spotlight. Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies, rely on blockchain technology to function. Think of blockchain as the engine and cryptocurrencies as the cars. Without the engine, the cars wouldn't be going anywhere. Blockchain provides the secure and transparent platform for tracking and managing transactions made with cryptocurrencies. It ensures that every Bitcoin transaction is recorded, verified, and tamper-proof. This decentralized and secure nature of blockchain is what makes cryptocurrencies so appealing to many people. It cuts out the need for intermediaries like banks and gives individuals more control over their money. Section 5. Fort Knox 2.0, the security and transparency of blockchain. One of the most significant advantages of blockchain is its security. Thanks to its decentralized and immutable nature, blockchain is incredibly difficult to hack or manipulate. Remember those miners we talked about? Well, they play a crucial role in keeping the blockchain secure. Since the blockchain is copied across thousands of computers worldwide, it's nearly impossible for a single entity to gain control over it. To successfully hack a blockchain, you would need to take control of over half of the network's computing power, which is a monumental task, even for the most skilled hackers. It's like trying to rob Fort Knox, but instead of one heavily guarded building, it's spread across the entire globe. Moreover, the transparency of blockchain adds another layer of security. Since all transactions are recorded on a public ledger, anyone can audit the system and track the flow of information. Section 6. Beyond Bitcoin. Exploring the potential of blockchain. While blockchain is most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies, its potential applications extend far beyond the realm of digital currencies. Imagine a world where supply chains are transparent and traceable, where you can track your food from farm to table with complete confidence. Or a voting system where every vote is secure and tamper-proof, eliminating the possibility of fraud. Blockchain can revolutionize various industries, from healthcare to supply chain management, by providing secure and transparent platforms for data sharing and transaction processing. For example, blockchain can be used to create secure electronic health records that patients can access and share with their doctors, while maintaining their privacy and control over their data. The possibilities are endless, and as blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us.